because everybody is different, right? So maybe an older person doesn't want to text, and they're perfectly fine with you calling them. Maybe a Tesla engineer doesn't want to respond to a long form email, doesn't have time for it. Quick text is how they want to communicate. So again, communicate with them on the level that they want to be communicated with. So if they want to call, fine, then call them. If they want to text, text them. If they want to do long form email, then do that. But that's a key thing that I think that if you can ask them that, and if you can make a note that they prefer to communicate via text, again, you're going to have a greater success rate of actually being able to convert. And convert means that you reach out to them and they respond to you in some way, shape, or form. So you send them a text and they don't ghost you, but they text you back.